911, what is the address of your emergency?
Help me on 755 Battery Avenue, Southeast Atlanta, GA 30339 on Cumberland at Trust Park at the Cash Clutch. There's a robber killing random people, guards, and he's taking all the money.
Sir, it's alright. You know who this guy is, or you're just a person you don't know.
I just told you, a robber I don't know.
Sir, calm down. We got officers there immediately.
Thank you.
Go hide somewhere and we'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Send officers. 911, what is the address of your emergency, please, sir? Hey, there is gunshots playing in the background, and I need help. There's a Truce Park on 755 Battery Avenue, SE, Atlanta, Georgia, and Cumberland, Cube County. And please send officers here immediately. I need police over here. There's a shooting going on, and there are multiple people laying on the ground. Who's that cash close to Truce Park? He is, okay, sir, please calm down. We are shooting people over there right now. But what is going on there again, sir? There's a shooter over there. He's believed to be shooting guns in multiple rounds at multiple people. He is going to the cash pool at the Cash Clutch from the Georgia Lottery. I need help right now. They're shooting right now. Please, sir, help me right now. We won't stop shooting everyone. Okay? Please help me. Sir, it's alright. Help me up!